Problem number 2 here with Elena. She has some bottles of water that hold 17 fluid ounces. So it looks like the two things we're comparing here are bottles and ounces of fluid. So we're going to write an equation that relates the number of bottles. We're going to call bottles B, and we're going to call the amount of fluid ounces of water W for water, fluid ounces. Those are our two set up there. So let's make a table, kind of get us started, and let's put bottles over here, B for bottles, and W for water. And when I have one bottle of water, it will hold 17 fluid ounces. So there's our relationship. We can quickly get our constant just by looking at it because it's a simple multiplication by 17. And let's jump into this. Let's write an equation using these two. So we just have to write an equation, so that's singular. So let's do what we get to get what W equals. To find what W is, we take B and we multiply it by 17. So W equals 17B. And how much water is in 51 bottles? So when this is 51, I would multiply it by 17 and get my answer there. So 51 multiplied by 17. Oh, I'm not typing anything in, so that's probably not the right way to do this. Let's quit and clear. 51 and 17. That's the numbers we want to multiply. If I'd worked this out on paper, I'd probably be done by now. Thank you, calculator, for slowing me down. 867. So 867 ounces. How much water? So 867 ounces. And how many bottles does it take to hold 51 fluid ounces of water? So when I've got 51 fluid ounces of water, I don't multiply by 17 to go back to the bottles. I can multiply by 17's reciprocal or divide by 17, whichever floats your boat. If you have a 4-function calculator, you're probably just going to divide by 17, and that's fine. Let's do it that way. That way you can see what it looks like. 51 divided by 17. So you just go in the other direction with fluid ounces, and you get 3. And so 3 bottles hold 51 ounces of water, and that is our answer for number 2 in Elena.